Hello everyone, this is speckyfoodie. Today's menu will be macaroni and cheese. In short, mac and cheese. I guess everybody heard about it before, right? It's a very simple dish and also very tasty. Give it a try. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the ingredients first. Slice the button mushrooms or any kinds of cut you like. Then slice up 2 pieces of ham into small squares. Gather up some broccoli and cut them into very small pieces. That's all for the ingredients, and let's get cooking. Add in some oil and salt into a pot of boiling water. Then add in the macaroni. While boiling, remove any bubbles forming on the boiling water. Cook them for around 10 minutes until they are softened. When it's done, drain off the water in a strainer. Prepare boiling water and add some salt. Add in the broccoli and cook until soft. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. In a hot pan, add in some oil. Add in the mushrooms and hams and stir them for a while. And then you add in the broccoli. Stir for around 2 minutes. And add in the milk. Let it simmer for around 2 minutes. Then add in the macaroni. Add in the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Finally, add in the cheese. So when the cheese is almost melted, turn off the heat. And you're ready to serve. Let's eat! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video and let us know what food you would like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!